What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to your daily Bitcoin update. So yeah, I've been covering Bitcoin daily for I think like almost like a couple of weeks now. I skipped some days when it wasn't moving that much, but obviously the last few days and the last week it has been moving a lot. So today I wanted to take a look at it again. Unfortunately, we broke through the 22,000 level. Volume has dropped down a little bit, so it seems that there are less buyers eager to buy. Of course, tonight we have a big Federal Reserve meeting in which the interest rate is probably going up. But whether that rate is to 1.5 or 1.75 is still up for debate. And we'll see that. It's not up for debate, we'll just see that. And what's even more important is what their projection will be for the longer term. Because if that's going to be higher than expected, it's going to be quite a disaster for Bitcoin, I think. I mean, we have already had a big drop, but that doesn't mean that we cannot drop down further. So what we did today, and we can zoom in a little bit for that. What we did today, I mean, you can see it quite clearly, right? Like yesterday evening, we already broke through 22,000, but then got back above that, and we should actually extend this level a little bit, but we cannot do that right now. Got back above it and now broke through. So now this 21,000 level, or around 21,000, more specifically on Coinbase, it's 20,800. Now this level is the main support, but to be honest, I think we can actually reach 22,000 again, or this level between 21,800 and 22,000, but I don't think we'll break above that. If we'll break above that, that would be great, but I don't think it's likely. I think up until the meeting, which is in about 11 hours right now, of the Federal Reserve this evening, at least for me, I think we'll start to trend down towards 20,000 and 19,000, and then the news is actually going to get the market moving for real. Because I think we'll actually, if nothing happens, we'll start to drop down more towards 19,000 instead of 20,000. 20,000 might actually give us a spike, but after that, I think we'll drop down. But that's a little bit that's too much price action for one day. So that's not going to happen today. I think it's more likely that we'll be in this move down when that Fed meeting is tonight. So if that interest rate actually goes up to 1.75, to be honest, I think we're dropping all the way down to 17,000. I've been too bullish before, maybe now I'm too bearish, but this level between 16,000 and 17,000 seems to be most likely if the result of the meeting is actually negative, right, for the crypto market and for asset markets. If, however, and I think, and even though we saw that the consensus is 1.5, I do think that the general sentiment throughout the market is that we're going up to 1.75. So if it actually still is 1.5, if it goes up to 1.5, we might actually see a spike, to be honest. As I said, we'll be in this downtrend, I think, where we might actually spike up all the way to 23, maybe even 24,000 if the interest rate really is 1.5 and if the long-term projections don't really change. Because I think a lot of people think, because of last Friday when the inflation was higher than expected, that the Federal Reserve is going to increase the interest rate faster and with more base points. So if it stays the same, I think we could actually have a spike. That would be great, but I expect something like this more. I'm also in the general market consensus that the interest rates are going up to 1.75. So that's not great, but it is reality, and we just have to work with that as well as we can. But for now, that's basically my analysis. I think so. My analysis and some insights on the interest rate decision and the general meeting tonight. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.